Okay, the start of a nice weekend.
Yeah. Yeah.
I put it on the back of your cab there, in the back of the window of the driver's side. So it's sitting there waiting for you.
Let me give this a shot.
Is he okay?
Yeah, I'm walking back now.
I'll get that for you.
Here, let me just grab one stick so I can carry the water.
Okay, that's good. That's very generous of you. Let me have another one.
That was nice, man. Okay, you guys have a safe hike. It's about a 200-yard walk. See you guys.
All right.
Yeah.
I just helped this guy who was in distress. So we comforted him. I took his backpack to his vehicle so that he didn't have to carry it. And now I'm back on the trail. Uphill 3 miles. Post-COVID. First shot of the lake. Let's see what I got here. Oh, it's a rainbow. Oh, it's a brookie. Place is mobbed this weekend. We got a nice spot though. Lake is right there. We got one hammock user right there. And we got 10 women right back there. It's afternoon, about 5 o'clock. People are sleeping, resting back here. Oh, some nice color. Oop, a little loose. Oh man, here we go. So that's me, Ferrari, Hammock Man. Found a feather.
embarrassing. We go up to fucking, go up to Bishop Pass and catch 90.
We used to catch, actually, I remember here, 50 trout that we pulled out of here, 50 or 60 even. Back in the day.
What happened?
Either the fish got smart or we got dumb. Ah, perfect. Oh, this looks so good.
We've been coming up here at least 15 years.
That was the icing right there.
Feeling all right?
Dave Mason played my blonde strat.
Well, I know I told you his son lived with me.
I almost signed him. We did a couple of really good meetings. Turns out that he just didn't have all the control that we thought he had in the back catalog.
Oh, yeah. Played the big
Oh,
all along the watchtower.
that is amazing. You want to try some of this?
I'm good.
Come on. Get a forkful. Don't say you're good. You're not good until you try this. Get in there.
What's in there?
Pasta, cheese, salt, and pepper. Your basic.
Gluten-free.
How is it?
Awesome.
I'm telling you. Morning at camp. Leaving nothing but footprints and taking memories. Morning. Have a good trip back. Oh, that breeze feels good. Didn't see any marmots, didn't see any deer. So there's a good shot of the Western Divide in the distance. Right there. In fact, at one point you could actually see Whitney from here. It's along that ridge line. And the limmers were amazing. Handmade boots in New Hampshire. I've had them for 12 years now. Things were incredible in Mount Everest. And now they're just as good in the Sequoias in the Sierra. Coming down. I think this is the end.
Interesting, there's a lot more cars here
A
now,
lot more passenger cars.
but there's less people up here. Hey,
Another successful trip.